Hello friends, this is Moving Wheels. I'm doing this short video to appeal for help. The current camera that I've been using has not been working. I've used that camera for the last, this is the camera, I've used it for the last 3 years and a half. And some of the videos I've brought you, they're from this camera. And because I normally use, my videos are vlogs, walk around, so currently I don't have a camera. I'm only using my phone, and my phone is not very effective, so I'm just reaching out to friends who love what I do. This camera costs around 70,000 Kenyan money, and so I'm appealing for anyone who is willing to support. They can still send money, reach out to me. At the moment, the camera is not working. You can see it is really spoiled up. Yeah, so I just want to appeal for your help. So like you can see, anytime I press it, it is not working at all. It just stands still. It's not able to take any videos like I should. So I think its time has come. So it's actually so spoiled. So your help will will help me to continue doing these more videos for you. It's not really working at all. And also the battery is a bit spoiled. You can see no longer working. So guys, your support will be of much importance. I am appealing for help, and or possibly you not only for money, possibly you have a GoPro that you're not using. It can be of great help to me, to help me. Yeah, so thank you guys. I am so hopeful that you will support me, and I'll keep you updated on your support. Thank you guys.